Hey guys, I'm Katie Wilkinson and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I'd teach you guys how to go step by step through starting a YouTube channel, starting a YouTube video, and just taking those first steps towards your YouTube journey. These are a few helpful steps which I've been through just to start off, including creating videos, doing something as simple as design, learning how to set up my camera and editing. Now to start off guys, you have to focus on what you want your channel to be about. Is it going to be several different topics? Is it going to be one topic? Are you going to niche down to one category? Is it going to be art, music? Do you guys enjoy digital art like I do? Different things like that. So you need to choose that one niche area of where you would like to go. You know, you may want to start a book channel where everyone joins your book club and you may be discussing different topics of the week. That's a really great way to start creating videos and starting to get these ideas and resources together and just creating this channel around that idea. Who would you guys define as your targeted audience? Who would you like to subscribe to your channel? Is it someone with similar interests as you, someone who enjoys comedy or humour? Or do you guys want to join a community or start a community of people that are creators and individuals with the same passions and hobbies that you enjoy? Which is something really great to think about when you're combining your YouTube channel and if you're targeting different audiences. The next step, of course, is trying to name your channel. Do you want it to be your name or do you want it to be something related to your niche, such as Katie's cooking channel or I Heart Cupcakes or different things like that, which would be really interesting and something unique to yourself and your brand. They could also be looking to subscribe to your YouTube channel and as well as going across to your Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, and just searching for your name as well, wanting to follow your daily content and different things. It's just really good to have the same name and so you can share your content that way. Now the next step is coming up with ideas and different content you want to release into your YouTube channel for videos. Do you do digital marketing, or is it graphic design you may be interested in, or photography, or is it filmmaking? Now a good way to start out is searching for keywords and phrases. You can use this through keywords, Google's keywords, or you can use TUBEBUDDY or vidIQ. I myself tend to use TUBEBUDDY and it's just really good to come up with title ideas and also areas that you want to search for. Whether you're doing digital marketing and you're wanting to find different topics to talk about, just becomes really helpful to search, and it's also like a second hand on your shoulder that you've got someone there to help you out. That's why I really enjoyed TUBEBUDDY, because it's just very helpful and it gets the ball rolling and just starting with new ideas and different things like that. Now, next of all is starting to create your videos and choosing the right schedule to create your videos or set aside too. Whether you want to do it daily, weekly, you could do daily vlogs, or you can also do once a week, once a month. If you're really just starting out, I'd recommend doing it once a week. At the end of the day, it's up to you. Picking a right time, whether it's Mondays or Saturdays. I myself am trying to stick to Mondays and maybe Sundays. Here's hoping to uploading 3 times a week if I have the time. But at the end of the day, you have to work it around your own personal schedule, and when you can film, just find the time in the day to film. Find a quiet room, a quiet area at home, or you could be out and about just vlogging. It's up to you at the end of the day what you make of it. So if you guys just start out, your journey will just start flowing and you can make this content and stop uploading it, scheduling it. The next thing is creating a thumbnail. Now thumbnails can be simple pictures, poses, or you could create a simple design. Like right now I'm going to do a simple thumbnail. I'm going to make a pose, so expressions and wow, you know. So people really respond, or viewers really respond when you have more expression, more enthusiasm, you know, smiling. People really want to click on something that's exciting and where they'll find enjoyment out of the video. That's something they're expecting. Up to you guys at the end of the day how you want your thumbnails to appear, emojis everywhere, or text down the bottom. But tools I use for creating thumbnails is either Canva, or you can use Procreate or Adobe software, Photoshop. Or you guys can use Paint, it comes free, and you guys can definitely check that out. Now, of course, it's very important to have a commitment to your schedule, consistent uploads. I like to record a few videos in one day and then upload them weekly. You can always schedule them for further in the future, and that's how I find I can stay on top of YouTube and keep that consistent flow of videos coming through, which is really good. But it just helps you at the end of the day. Back to TUBEBUDDY and searching for keywords, guys. It's really good to create a list of different topics and phrases you want to use in your video. Just keep that handy on the side in the future, and you can easily come back to that list or that keyword you want to talk about. You may be a tech YouTuber and you want to talk about the latest software or camera gear, different things like that, which is always good to have notes around. And just doing anything really, you can always draw back to that. It just helps you be more organized at the end of the day, which is really good. Now, of course, you can start creating and designing your YouTube channel. Everything down to your main icon, your banner, your header at the top there. You can all design this on Procreate or canva.com, which has a delightful section of thumbnails, banners, you name it, different things like that, posters, Facebook, Instagram stories, you name it. It's just a really helpful website to have at the end of the day, especially if you're a beginner like me and you're just wanting to start to get out there, start having a flow of your content and just learning to create on the go as well. You can simply do it on your phone, which is really helpful, or you can use Adobe Sketch if you're illustrating, or you can also use Adobe After Effects, I think it is, or Lightroom. If you're editing photos and different photography and just doing different things like that, creating content basically. Or of course there's the About section where you can discuss who you are, what you're aiming to achieve with this channel, providing help, cooking tips, tricks, different things like that. Plus you can also link in your social media handles where people can find you on different platforms like Instagram or Twitter and Facebook, you name it, which is really helpful. You can also use some of this information in your description, which is very helpful as well. Okay guys, also the next step is learning how to film, to have a basic setup, whether you're filming on your phone or a camera or a tripod. It's just really simple. I've made another video about this, which I'll have linked over here or down below as well. You can also look into that and just see how I simply film my videos on a daily basis, and just to see where to start off with and how to edit videos. You guys might start off using iMovie, which is free and on most Macs, or you can step up your game, go to Final Cut Pro, which I've been using for the past God knows how many years, probably 5 years. Or you can go to Adobe Suite. I'm learning to use Premiere Pro, which is really helpful, and especially because if you're wanting to get into design and different things like that, it's just really helpful to use. You can also check that out down below, and I'll have that linked for you guys. Also guys, it's really good to respond to your community. So if you're having comments down below on your videos, don't forget to respond to them, whether it's liking or commenting on different, just replying to people, and you can get great feedback from your audience. Or you guys might be YouTubers as well, and you might want to leave some feedback down below, which is really helpful. And you know, you can take that on board. You can take that on board as just some light criticism, just something to help you along your way. It's always good to find a community online. Okay, next step guys is sharing your content. Once you've got that video uploaded, it's now on YouTube, share it to your Facebook page. If you're first starting off, then get your friends and family behind you and get them to like and comment on your video. And once it gets shared around, you know, 10 people turn into 100 people. At the end of the day, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and you know, just giving it that one boost, your video will get out there and then the views will come up slowly, but surely it happens. Sometimes your videos turn viral. Also, another step when starting a YouTube channel is also learning. Continue to learn, to educate yourself, watch other YouTubers, see how they're doing, also seeing different people in your area, your niche, and learn from them. What are they doing? What are they talking about? Is it something you can relate to or discuss? Are they different topics you can share? Yeah, it's just really good to educate yourself and also find topic ideas for your future videos that way, and just get out there and communicate and just join the community, really. At the end of the day, it will make your videos a lot better, and as the year goes on, you know, you'll look back one day and say, that was me. 10 subscribers, where was I then? Oh yes, and now look at me, I'm over here with however many, 1,000, who knows, or 100,000. The sky's the limit, really. You guys will get there at the end of the day. Put in that effort and a little bit of consistency, sprinkle that on top, and you'll be there. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed that short step-by-step starting a YouTube channel, starting your YouTube journey I should say, and just getting out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, are you guys starting out? If so, what can I help you with? Do you have struggles with lighting or setup or editing, different things like that? I'd be more than happy to help you guys. Also, don't forget to hit that notifications bell for future videos, and you can also check out my playlist on the side there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video. Okay, thanks guys, have a good weekend, bye. Or you guys might be YouTubers as well, just starting off, and you want to leave some or you